Hello everyone, this is Linda, I'm Lippy, and today's video is going to be us making TikTok inspired food because I really want to do it. First of all, I'm staying with Linda. Thank you for letting me stay with you. What are your credentials?
My YouTube channel is The Linda Bell, and I also have an Instagram, The Linda Bell, obviously, and Lippy will link them down below.
I will link them down below. Look how cute your bedroom is. So aesthetic. And then my pile of stuff. I'm sorry. Basically, we went to Trader Joe's yesterday, so I will insert clips somewhere in here, and yeah, insert clip.
For the record.
Get this one thing clear.
Okay, and so now we're gonna actually go make the foods and try them. So let's go do that right now. Let's go. I'm not a big coffee drinker, I'll be real. I always go for tea. But I'm willing to try this purely because I really always have wanted to try whipped coffee, like the texture of it. But here's the thing. She has stevia. She doesn't use real sugar. I don't like the taste of fake sugar. Like, just give me the real stuff. And so it's going to be interesting. Someone didn't tell me they had electric whisk. Apparently this is not thick enough, so Linda decided to do a part 2
With real sugar.
with real sugar. Okay. Hello. I'm hungry. You want to start out with a coffee?
Yeah, let's start with coffee, because it's getting late, so the earlier we can drink it, the better.
I feel like we had to make this 2 times because we kind of struggled. I think it was because we didn't use real sugar, right?
Stevia, yeah.
Yeah, we used stevia first, and then it wasn't really making its like whippedness, and so we did it again with real sugar and like an actual like electric whip, and it worked.
It worked in like 2 seconds.
Okay,
Ready?
Are we stirring it?
Yeah. Oh, I love this one. Oh, it's so good.
I'm not a big coffee person. It has been growing on me, but I'm just really thirsty, so I will happily drink this.
I drink coffee every single day, and I love this.
This is actually pretty good. And we use oat milk for the base. I like that.
Made a little spill. You finished it?
I'm really
My
thirsty.
goodness. It smells very sour though, so I'm concerned too.
No, I love sour. Do you know they're supposed to taste like Sour Patch Kids?
I don't know, we'll be the judge of that, I guess. I can't imagine, but we'll see. I'm really curious about this.
I don't think they froze all the way.
It's okay. It's really cold though, so we'll do like mid-slushy ones.
So they're our grapes, and they kind of are.
Oh.
And oop.
And I,
It's fine. We're fine. They're supposed to taste like, okay, so they're frozen grapes, you put lime juice on them, and then they're supposed to taste like Sour Patch Kids. Cheers. Cheers.
wait, wow.
The grape feels like a normal grape, a cold, normal grape.
No, the texture's not there, but the flavor.
But I'll be honest, I make these at home after I saw them on TikTok, so it's her first time. I love these.
Wait, I actually think that first bite too, initial punch, Sour Patch Kids. The thing is, we both like sour things. Oh my god, wait guys, try this, so easy.
Also, I'm not a big grape person, but Trader Joe's is where we got them. These are the best grapes I've ever tried in my whole entire
She
life.
said it like 4 times.
I ate them like half of the packet yesterday, so.
Grapes are actually one of my favorite fruits, so I love them. What should we do next?
You want to make these?
Yeah, why not? That seems easy enough.
Let's do it. TikTok, but I don't see how this is healthy because I'm pretty sure this is cream cheese in here.
The nurse came up with this. So it was super trendy on TikTok. Everybody tried it. So we are too.
So basically, it's a red bell pepper with cream cheese and everything but the bagel seasoning from, I guess, Trader Joe's.
Yeah, only Trader Joe's.
I always wanted to buy it, and now that I have it, I can put it in my suitcase and take it home. Cheers. I like it, but my body's like, where's the bagel?
Fair. All you taste is like that water pepper taste. It takes a while because that's very overpowering. It takes a while before you even taste the cream cheese. I don't know.
You know what this needs? Hold on. I have a baby Tabasco in my purse. I think this is what it
Me
needs.
too, me too. It needs more flavor.
Yeah.
Kind of bland.
I'm sorry, my mom called. Okay, so just gonna. Oh,
Yes, it's okay. I like spicy.
I can't tell if I like it because I'm hungry
Yeah,
or if I like it.
you're hungry. I think a better tip for this, to get more of that everything but the bagel flavor, Trader Joe's has everything but the bagel dip. It's a Greek yogurt dip. Instead of cream cheese, use that. It's the same texture, it's healthier for you, and it's like a very strong everything but the bagel flavor. So skip the cream cheese. I give it like a 6.
I'm hungry, so I'm gonna keep eating this.
Me too. But only because we're hungry.
They're so cute. They're little pancakes. I don't know really what to say. They're just really cute. We should have maple syrup, but we don't, and I wasn't gonna buy any. And so we're gonna put oat milk.
Very cute. Took a lot of effort because you have to flip each one individually or else they stick together. Adorable though. Cute for the novelty. We're using Trader Joe's oat milk. Shake it up. Oh, that's right.
Yeah, it's good. So here it is. Milk and pancake. There's no flavor. It tastes like egg.
Tastes like egg. Like fried egg and milk.
So gross.
I don't like that. Maybe that's why they add the maple syrup to give it sugar. It doesn't taste sweet.
And it needs normal milk.
Yeah. Yeah. Oat milk is no. I love oat milk for everything. Not that.
Okay, we're done with this video. We tried everything. I honestly want some real dinner.
Yes.
Individually, these things weren't terrible. I'm really glad I tried them out.
Individually, one was terrible, but you know.
Okay, this was kind of terrible. Everything else was like pretty solid, I would say. The grapes were my favorite.
Me too, definitely.
And it was also the simplest. If you guys want to see us make more TikTok food hack videos,
Part
let
2.
us know. We do part 2. I'm actually in New York until like the beginning of October, so I'll be here for a minute. So any New York related videos, TikTok videos, we are here. If you want to check out Linda's channel, in the description bar, check it out. She's pretty new to YouTube.
I know.
But she knows what she's talking about. She's very educated, okay? Let us know which one you would try. And, you know, if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that bell icon notification button so you get notified every time I post, which is weekly. It's really hard when you're traveling, but so subscribe, you know? It's like the nice thing to do. So we're going to go get some real dinner, and we will talk to you next week. Bye, everyone.
Bye.